M0FXB Hamtech. Welcome to my videos on the Globetrotter Ambe server. I'm here with M6LSJ and Cheddar, and together we are just having a look at how we can connect to the Blue DV software using our computer, our Windows computer. So the good news is you don't actually have to change anything on your Globetrotter. If you've set up the Wi-Fi and connected it to your router at home, it's going to work whether you're traveling abroad. As long as you leave the router at home or the Globetrotter at home, it's going to work abroad, it's going to work at home via your local IP address or via your internet IP address. And how do you get your internet IP address? You just put into Google myip.com and you're going to have your internet IP address for your router or anywhere in the world. So today we're going to show you the setup for Blue DV for Windows and the Globetrotter. So all you do, go into your settings. You can see it working at the moment. We're going to disconnect by turning off these two sliders and go into menu and setup. So when you're disconnected, you can put in your call sign. You don't need to do a serial port because we're using our Ambe server, which sends out a Wi-Fi connection to our software on the PC. Because of that, we need to select up here, tick where it says thumb DV or DV stick. And yes, we can do this with the DV stick, but that's for a separate video. So we've ticked that. The Ambe server's running and connected. We've got our DMR ID and the baud rate. We don't really have to change that. The main one is though, when it says use Ambe server, you need to get the IP address that's on the front of your Globetrotter, and also you need to open a port, and my port is 2460. The port will also need to be in the software as well. I'll show you that in a second. And yeah, everything else looks fine, and we're just doing DMR at the moment. So my IP address is 192.168.1.51. If I just save that and then show you here that on the Globetrotter, I know it's quite blurry, but on the Globetrotter that is the same IP address, 192.168.1.51. And just remember, in the settings, before I forget, you do need to go to Brandmeister. If you're using the Brandmeister server, you do need to put in your password for Brandmeister, and then it says here DMR type. Look, Brandmeister there, and further down you can choose the server that you want to use. And of course, remember your DMR number. So we'll click save. Now let's turn on the slider here that says serial. Turn that on, and if it connects, if you've got things set up correctly, it will show as connected. If you look at the bottom there, it says connected to Ambe server, which is the Globetrotter. Then you can choose whether you want to use DMR, D-Star or Fusion. We're going to choose DMR. So turn that slider on. So it says at the bottom connected to Ambe server, then you select DMR. That slider goes across. So there you go. Working great, and we can transmit just by going to the tab here at the top and M0FXB test, and to select your microphone you can select it up here. So if you turn off the sliders, go Ambe, look, you can select your microphone and your speakers, and it just works great. Bye for now, 7-3, all the best.